The time at which babies start to burp on their own varies greatly. Some babies start to do it as early as 3 months and others around 6 months of age. And so it's important to keep burping your baby, especially for the first 3 to 4 months of life. And then once you start to notice them burping regularly on their own, then you usually don't have to work so hard to burp them and get them to burp. If you have any other questions for me in the future, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms and recommend us to your friends and family too.